Welcome back to Kidz Color Lab. Today we're going to be doing a drawing of a sea turtle. So you're going to need a white piece of paper, and you're going to need a black marker and two brown markers, dark shade and a lighter shade. And you're also going to need green markers. You're going to need a dark green, a light green, and a medium shade of green. You'll also need pink, a dark pink and a light pink. And you will need orange, yellow, and a peach color. And a purple. Now we can begin. Grab our markers, take the caps off, and we're going to start towards the left side of our paper. And we're going to do a curved line that starts to go up, stop, and then dips down, and then curves down. So almost looks a little bit like the letter N. Then we're going to do a curved line that meets back at the other end, so curve down to a point and it's going to stop. And then you're going to curve out and then down and meet at that point. And if you need to, you can watch me first and then pause it and do the exact same thing. Now we're going to do a curved line right in the middle, and then we're going to add some eyes for our sea turtle. And the eyes are just going to be curved lines. Great, and now let's fill them in. And let's give our little sea turtle some eyebrows. Now we are going to give him a smile. So we're going to start on the left side and then curve to the right side. And then underneath, we'll do the same thing. So now he's got a big smile, and let's give him a tongue. So we'll use our curved lines again. Great. Now let's put a little curved line at the end just to show how happy he is on the side of his smile. After that, we're going to do our sea turtle's body and his fins. So we'll start with his fins. Towards the bottom of his face, we're going to do a curved line that dips down and then curves back up to his chin. Now we're going to do his shell. So put your pen on the side of our sea turtle's head. And we're going to curve almost like a wave. And our curved line is going to start to go down. And eventually we're going to draw the bottom part of his shell, and it's going to connect to where we left off. So we're going to use some curved lines that look a bit like a backwards C. So on the left side of our sea turtle's face, we're going to do our backwards C's all the way to the area that we first stopped. And now they're connected. Now we're going to draw a line that goes above those C's to the end of the shell. So great, now we have something that looks like the side of our sea turtle shell. We're also going to do some designs on the shell. So every sea turtle has cool looking designs on his shell. So you can do some curved lines that go down and up, make them in your pattern, or you can do something similar to what I'm doing. Just like we drew a fin on the bottom of our sea turtle towards the face, we're going to put a fin towards the back of the shell, curve up, down, and then meet back at the shell. And now we're going to do a bottom fin. So we'll put our pen at the bottom of the shell and we'll curve down, around, and back up towards the shell. Now he's got 3 fins, he needs 1 more. So towards the back of the shell, we're going to curve out, and then we're going to meet it with another curved line that goes down around. Now we have 4 fins for our sea turtle. So let's do the bottom of our sea turtle. We'll do a curved line that connects these 2 fins, and then a curved line that goes from one fin up towards his face. Next, just like we did some designs for our turtle's shell, we're going to put some designs on the turtle's fins. And the designs are going to be lines. So just like you see me doing, make your lines on our sea turtle's fin. And again, you can watch me do it and then pause it and then try and do it. Follow what I do the best you can. So we'll do these lines on each one of the fins. Okay, so now we're done with his fins. So now we can put the water above our sea turtle. And the water is going to be curved lines that go up and down and up and down, like we're making the letter U or the letter W. And it goes all the way across your paper. Now we're going to put some seaweed. Let's put some curvy lines, start at the bottom of your paper and then go up. And they're gonna curl just like a snake does. So we're gonna do some curvy lines going all the way up and all the way down. You can do however many you want. I'm going to do 3. Next, I'm going to put a clamshell underneath the turtle. So the clamshell, the top of it, is going to be a curved line that looks like an upside down U. And then you're going to connect it, and then those 2 lines will be connected with a line. And then a curved line on the side, and then another curved line in the middle. Now we can put the caps on our marker, and we can start adding color. And we're going to color in the face of our sea turtle. So let's grab our light green, and this portion I'll probably speed up so that you guys can take your time coloring it in. And then after you're done, you can pause it to catch up. And you're going to color in our sea turtle's fins. Next, we're going to grab the medium shade of green, and we're going to take it and we're going to outline all the little lines that we put on our sea turtle's fins. For this fin, we're going to do a curved line right underneath where the chin is, and then a curved line underneath it, and we're going to fill that portion in. And that's going to look weird for right now, but you'll see why I do it later on. And now let's outline the turtle's head with our medium shade of green. And we'll do his eyebrows and the side of his face too. And his smile. And we're going to do the underside of our fin. And again, we're going to shade, outline all of those lines that we put on there. Now let's put a cap on our marker and we'll grab our light colored and we're going to start doing the blending. So let's blend it in with our light color marker. Once we're done blending it in, and now that area that we left open, we're going to color it in underneath the chin of the sea turtle. We'll grab our dark marker, color it in, and what that is the shadow underneath the sea turtle. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to create some shadowing underneath the shell, and each fin is going to have that. So now we can put the cap on that marker, and we can grab our medium marker, and we're going to do a little bit more blending. So watch as I blend in the dark marker and the medium marker. And I do this so that it looks like it's one smooth color blending into another color. Now we have a pretty good realistic looking turtle. So now let's start to do the shell. We'll grab our light colored brown, and we're going to start to fill in the shell of our turtle. And we're going to do the top portion of our turtle shell, and we're going to color that in too. And what I'm doing is using the side of the marker. That way I can have bold, long strokes to fill in the shell a little bit faster. So now we have the shell all filled in, so caps on our markers, and let's grab the dark colored brown. And the dark colored brown, we're going to add some shading on it, just like we did with our sea turtle's fins. So let's do some designs first. And we'll put some designs on our shell. And I'm going to do some little zigzaggy designs, but you guys can do whatever designs you'd like. Every sea turtle has different designs on their shell, so it's kind of cool that you can make yours a little bit more unique. And we'll follow the black lines to add that shading in with our dark brown. I'm going to put some shading underneath. This way it makes it look like the shell is a little bit more realistic and it's got a lot of little bumps on it, just like a sea turtle's real shell would have. Now we'll put the cap on our marker, and we'll start to add in the underside of the shell. We'll make that a yellow color, so let's fill that in. Great. Now we'll grab an orange, and we'll have orange as our shading. So we'll put a little shadow on the top and the bottom. And an orange is going to make a nice little shading, just like we did with the shell. So we'll follow those lines and we'll put the orange shading on there. Then we'll grab our yellow and we'll do some blending, just like we did with the face and the shell. Great, now let's grab our brown marker, and we'll put some designs on the bottom shell, and there'll be curved lines just like we did with the water. So we'll curve up. Excellent. We'll have those on both sides. And now we're going to grab our orange marker, and we're going to put our orange marker up against that brown. And again, it's going to make it look like it's blended together. Now it looks a little bit more realistic, just like the rest of our turtle. Now let's do our turtle's tongue. I'm thinking we should make his tongue pink. So let's grab that pink and fill it in. And just like how we love to do shading, we'll grab the darker pink and we'll follow a line with those black lines and we'll color in our turtle's tongue. Great, we're almost there. Let's grab our black marker and we're gonna fill in the portion above the tongue. So we'll fill that in black. All right, now that we've completed that, we can color in the seaweed. I'm thinking I'm gonna make my seaweed purple, but you guys can make it any color you want. Now we can do the water. And I forgot to tell you guys to get your blue marker. So if you have it available, grab that blue marker. And we're gonna color in the underside of those curved lines. So we have some nice blue waves above our sea turtle. And if you have a dark blue, we can put the dark blue right underneath the light blue color. So we can add a little bit more depth to our water with some shading. Now let's color in our clamshell. I'm gonna use that pale peach color, color it in, and color it in pink as well on the inside. All right, now that we have our clamshell all pretty, you guys have a beautiful sea turtle. Great job, everyone.